Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gamers Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to find Monopoly Go username. To find your username on Monopoly Go, launch open the Monopoly Go application and log into your account first. Once you're in the home page of Monopoly Go or your gameplay area of Monopoly Go, tap on the menu button at the top right corner. Now, in the pop-up, you will be able to see your username underneath your profile avatar. That will be your username on Monopoly Go. That is how you easily find your username on Monopoly Go in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.